gathering all my ingredients together, and it's going to be one of those meals that's really quick, and I'm not good at quick meals, so it might turn into a disaster. Alright, this is a box that I bought recently. Classic Japanese cooking course, but in the 90s my sister gave me one of the first copies. It was hardback and it was printed in 1997, so I may have had one of the first hardback copies. Why I gave it away, I don't know, because it's excellent. It doesn't say traditional, but it says classic Japanese cooking course, so it's all the basics and a lot of food that's easy to make for the British person who's not got can't get many Japanese ingredients. They do give alternatives, but some things you can't have an alternative for. Luckily I can now buy most of the products that are in this book. Right, I'll start cooking now. Oh, I'm going to make salmon sealed with egg. It's like a scrambled egg dish with pink salmon in it. And I'm going to serve it with rice, but it's not Japanese, it's Thai. And it's microwave as well. So, because it's on, I'll be rushing anyway. I forget time to take a photo of it. Alright then. It's difficult cooking in a small kitchen, but some people have got smaller kitchens than what I've got and they manage alright. There. I'm not going to use this. It's unreliable. Alright. What is it? Oh, you have to. I'm using frozen onions instead of fresh ones because I was too lazy to chop them up. So it's frozen onions, 200 mils of cold water. I used 100 mils because obviously it's frozen. So I'm going to heat this up. Which one is it? This one. Yeah. Just bring that to the boil. Maybe I should have used more onion, I don't know. In the recipe it says, and it's for 4 people in the recipe, but I'm cooking for like 2 or 3 people. But in the book it says two large onions. But this is about half an onion, I think. Alright. And then we have to cook this for 5 minutes. Oh, keep forgetting to put the oven on. Just bring it quick. Nuts come on, see, nuts come on. That's a health hazard. Can't turn it off. I keep saying we need a new cooker, but it doesn't do anything about it. And I don't think cookers are that expensive now. I don't know. We've had this one for 20 odd years. Yeah. 23 years, something like that. Ridiculous. Now next time I get a cooker, I'm going to get a gas cooker, because you can control the heat much more easily. So this scrambled egg could just end up disgraceful. Alright, let's just say. Come on, get to the boil. There's only a little bit of water in there. Just needs a new oven. Now if this was gas, that would be boiling by now. So slow. Should I do a dance? No, better not. I think I'm putting on some weight again. Yeah, one night I ate before bed 10 chocolate digestives, at least 10. I know, it's disgraceful. Yeah, what shall I talk about? I'm going to use this sashimi, togarashi. You don't have to, it doesn't say it in the recipe. It's like their sort of 7 spice or 5-spice, Japanese. It's got chili flakes in it, black and white sesame seeds, what else? Orange peel. Is that nori? Seaweed? Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know it was in there. I can't see it. Wait a minute, my eyesight's terrible. No, there's no seaweed in it, unfortunately, because I love seaweed. Well, oh, it's got ginger powder in it as well and black pepper. But it'll look nice scattered on it, I think. And that's a pink salmon tinned. I used one small can and one even smaller can. I think it's like 400 grams for 4 people. I think. Let's have a look. Yeah. 400 gram can of pink salmon. And you just get any bones out that you can see. And skin as well. Alright, so 5 minutes. Now I have to wait until I can put the timer on this stupid oven. So it's going to be like 3.5 minutes. I mean, you can use your eye really. You don't really need to use a timer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. Yeah, it's still cooking, but I thought I'd tell you about the mangetouts. All I did, I only used part of the packet, not too many. I just topped and tailed them and cut them up in half, the big ones, and I just cooked them for about 2 to 3 minutes, then drained them, and then put them under cold water to retain the bright green colour. There. I think I've told you about, oh yeah, I better tell you about the sugar. Now in the recipe it's 8 teaspoons of sugar. It just says sugar, so I presume it's white sugar. So I think it's too much. So I decided to use 4 teaspoons of my favourite sugar, which is coconut. It doesn't taste of coconut and it's not as sweet as white sugar. There. I might have to add a little bit more water. Alright, just 32 seconds and I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. Not all of them, not all of them. Yeah, it's drying out a little bit. Just a little bit more water. That's enough probably. Alright, I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Make sure it's not the sweetened version. And the sugar. It all goes in. There. And then you just cook that. Oh, it's going to caramelise. You cook that for another 5 minutes. So I'll just stir that about because it's my flour's uneven, you see, very uneven. Alright, I'm going to turn it to a simmer actually. There. Right, I'll see you soon. Alright then. Liquid's really evaporating, so I thought I'd better put in the salmon now. because I have to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Well, until the liquid has dissolved, disappeared. Ouch, it's hot. Oh yeah, it's very dry. Do you know what, I'm going to put a tiny bit of liquid in there. Oh, might need more than that. It's only on, yeah. It's not, oh no, I don't want that coming on. No, I need a bit more liquid, yeah. Otherwise it's going to just be too dry. Turn it down a bit as well. Oh, I think that more liquid's needed. You can't always go by recipe books, you know. I'm always having to adapt. When I'm following a recipe, sometimes I think, no, that's not going to work. Can't see that working. And sometimes I'm right. And I have to add more or less of an ingredient. I'm not, you probably think I'm an expert on cooking, but I'm not. It's just I've been cooking for years. I'm 58 now. I started cooking when I was about 19. And I enjoyed it as well. I don't really enjoy it now, I find it boring. I like making a new dish. And I don't think I've made apart from that salad, which was Japanese style, I haven't made a Japanese dish on my channel. I don't think I have anyway. Alright. Just going to put the microwave on now with the rice. Just 2 minutes. Right. I know I'm cheating with the rice. Alright. I'm going to put the egg on now. All over. All over. Try and do it quite quickly, if you can. And then you just quickly sprinkle these on. I know it's a quick meal. Try not to break the egg, and then put the lid on. And then you cook it for about a minute. I'm not going to put it on a timer, I'm just going to check it. I know roughly how long a minute is. Oh. And then I'll have to take a photo of it and then dish it up as quick as I can. So this is my salmon sealed with egg, served with rice. Unfortunately it's Thai rice, not Japanese. I keep meaning to buy Japanese rice. Oh. You know, and cook it in a pot. I haven't got room for a rice cooker, unfortunately. If I did, because I cook rice a lot. If I did have a rice cooker, I would cook rice in there. Oh God, it's making a noise. I hope I pierced those. It's acting strangely. It's not moving. Oh, that's strange. Oh. What's happening? Oh, I didn't pierce them. Oh. Anyway, I'll sort that out in a minute. A minute's gone now. It's not cooked yet. It's not cooked yet. I'm surprised about that. I thought the egg would be cooked. Right. What's happened to this? Yeah, I think it's because I didn't pierce them. What an idiot. Get them away from the laptop. Well, yeah. I got to pierce them. What an idiot. Right, let's have a look. Maybe that's just... Oh, it's because the cock is uneven, that's why. One side's cooked and one isn't. I'm so stupid. It's the flour. Completely lopsided. Well, actually, it's like this. Yeah, it's dangerous. Might have a sinkhole underneath, I don't know. It worries me. Alright, let's have a look. Still needs a bit more cooking on this side. And then in a minute I'll hold the pan up for you to look at. I'm not going to stir it or anything. I'll need a serving spoon for it though. And I'm going to put it in bowls. But I'm not going to dish it up. When I've dished it up, I'm going to dish it up when I've finished the video. Getting out of breath now. Right, let's take the lid off now. Yeah, that'll do. Turn that off. And that'll set. Oh, it's still a bit liquidy. I'll put it back on the heat. Yeah. Because my cooker's rubbish, so it needs a little bit longer. Alright. And then I'll let you know. 1 minute, it said. 1 minute. Oh, it's not on. This looks really unprofessional. Oh, I just turned it off, didn't I? Yeah. Right, I'll put it back on. So, let's put this up. Yeah, you may find, depending on your oven, that it needs more than 1 minute. Especially if you've got an uneven floor. You may have to turn it round. But I'll let you know what it tastes like and if it's worth you cooking it. Alright then, I'm going to dish up now, I think, and then I'll just say goodbye. Bye, hope you like this video.